More news coming in is massive ruckus in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly over the Waqf law. The National Conference and the BJP MLAs storm well of the Assembly in Jammu and Kashmir. National Conference MLAs tear the Waqf law copy in-house, sloganeering uproar over Waqf law in the Assembly in Jammu and Kashmir.
Take one seat. Please take one seat. Please. जाइए अपनी जगहों पर जाइए. Take one seat. Please take one seat. Please take one seat.
Here, we are not challenging the parliament. This is a Muslim majority state and we have all the right to speak on something that directly affects Jammu and Kashmir. And we feel that there should be a discussion on how the bill will impact the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and that is the reason. There are many members in the assembly who have signed on the adjournment motion. We hope that considering the sentiment of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and the elected legislature of Jammu and Kashmir, the speaker will admit and give us time to speak on this. Not everybody is happy with the Waqf amendment bill. It is a direct attack on the religious minorities, or the minorities of this country, and we feel we have all the right to speak, and this is an August House.
नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस रूलिंग में है, सत्ता में है, और जिस प्रकार से पीछे भी इन्होंने असंवैधानिक, जिसे हम अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कहते हैं, गैर कानूनी कहते हैं, ऐसी गतिविधियां उन्होंने इस विधानसभा में की। और मुझे लगता है कि आज दोबारा से असंवैधानिक, अगर वो एडजर्नमेंट मोशन, स्थगन प्रस्ताव लाते हैं तो वो असंवैधानिक कहलाएगा। जो प्रस्ताव, जो बिल पास किया गया हो संसद द्वारा और जिसको मोहर लगाई हो
राष्ट्रपति ने भी मंजूरी
द्वारा, और अब उसे हम सब जुडिस भी मानते हैं, कोई कोर्ट में भी चला गया। अब मुझे बताइए, यूनियन टेरिटरी जम्मू कश्मीर, इसकी असेंबली वक़्फ़ बिल को डिस्कस करेगी? मतलब कितनी शर्म की बात है। संसद के कानून को आप नहीं मानते हो, आप किसको मानोगे?
All right, I'm going straight across to Mir for more on that. Mir, the National Conference, they're making it very clear that the bill isn't acceptable and also that this matter is in court right now. It can't be accepted. The protest would continue.
Yes, Sneha. In fact, even before this assembly session started, we know assembly has gone on a Eid break and now the budget session has resumed. The NC MLAs and leaders have made clear that they will raise this issue of the amendments in the Waqf bill in the assembly. And that's exactly what has happened. The National Conference, supported by some opposition MLAs and independents, basically pressed upon the adjournment motion and called upon the speaker that this issue is sensitive. Jammu and Kashmir is a majority, Muslim majority area, and that's why there should be a debate on this because this is unacceptable. Now, post that, obviously, one such adjournment motion that was brought in by Sajjad Lone was dismissed by the speaker, and in fact on this as well there was ruckus. So seems it was all planned as far as National Conference is concerned, and obviously the BJP MLAs opposing it tooth and nail, trying to suggest that this assembly does not have the power, the mandate to discuss this because it has already been done by the parliament. That's the line of the BJP, but quite clearly NC and PDP, other opposition, is not ready to let go of this issue. They've raised it in a big way and already ruckus in the J&K assembly. Yeah.
I'm going to thank you for joining in, Mir Farid. They're getting in those details at this point in time, with the NC MLAs making their protest louder and clear. The BJP is also, in fact, protesting this NC, of course, against the Waqf amendment bill, which they say is a matter even pending in court, and it's not acceptable to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, says the ruling party.